name. That's not my name. I just heard that song and I like it. Okay, so I'm only doing this video because Grimes, you got some splaining to do. No, really, this is the last time I'm going to talk about it because it's just fucking stupid. Because it was so simple what she could have done. But for all you people who keep saying, why didn't anybody run up there? Why didn't somebody from production or engineering run up there and help her? I see it happen all the time. Okay, first of all, they would have if something was wrong with the equipment. If something was wrong with the equipment, they would have been the first fuckers to run up there in seconds, okay? Nothing was wrong with the equipment. Nothing. Not a fucking thing. That's why nobody else had a problem. Just her. And I'm going to tell you why. Because she's not a DJ and she relies on the sync button. Now, let me explain what she did. Oh, and by the way, if they would have ran up there, what would they have done? DJ'd for her? Like, there was nothing wrong with the equipment. So, that's why nobody ran up there to rescue her. The simple answer would have been, I'm sorry, I don't know how to DJ. This is going to sound like shit. They're going to pay me anyways. Have a great night. But, anyway, so this is what she did. She walked up there. Now, I know this because I've only been playing for 3 years, right? I don't know shit, really, about techniques. There you go. I don't know shit about techniques, but I know a fucking Pioneer, CDJ, or controller like the back of my fucking hand, okay? Because a bitch does her research. And for all of you saying she should have known her equipment, you're exactly right. And for you old fucking DJs that say, well, I don't even know where this thing button is. Well, then you're just as fucking stupid as she is because you don't know your equipment, and you would have been just as fucked as she is because you don't know your equipment. Okay? So, because they could have easily, somebody before you playing could have easily left the sync button on. And if you don't even know where the fuck it is, what are you gonna do? So, I know every button on a fucking CDJ 3000. Okay? So, this is what she did. The person before her took their thumb drive out. That info is still on that CDJ. She plugs her CDJ in. Oh, I'm sorry, her USB drive. But before she even does that, she turns on the sync because she relies on it. What she didn't do was switch the master. So the master is still on this side. She loads her track and it syncs to that info. She even admits, I shouldn't have started with that track because it is such a different BPM, it didn't sync right. Okay, now, 3 ways she could have fixed it. Switched the master to this side, turned off the sync first of all, switched the master to this side, and reloaded her track, and it would have loaded at the correct BPMs. Then she could have loaded the track on this side and then turned on her fucking sync. She'd have been good to go. Another way she could have fixed it was to press the tempo reset button. It's right next to the slider. You know, to set your BPM if that's the way you do it. Okay. Or there's another button that's right above the slider, and it says like +6, +16, I think +10, and wide. She could have hit that however many times she needed to and go through the numbers to find, or for it to show, the correct BPM she was looking for. So, there's 3 easy fucking fixes she could have done, and she would have had a flawless set, like she always does. The problem is, she's not a DJ. She doesn't know her fucking equipment, and she lost her shit, first of all. And you never, a professional knows, you never cut the fucking music. You never cut the music. And don't expect anybody to help you if there's nothing wrong with the equipment. So, there's your answers, people. Now maybe she'll practice a little more and learn how to DJ. I don't know, and I really don't care. I'm gonna go have a good Taco Tuesday. Now you got a song played in my head, my own song. So you play your own song in your head and you can put my dance into it. Anyways, I need a shot and something else. I just want to say it on camera. Anyways, love you. I don't want to hear shit else about this dumb bitch. And irony, you named your child a math equation like a jackass, but you stood at Coachella in front of thousands, maybe even millions, because it's on YouTube, of people saying that you're not good enough at math for this shit and not fast enough at it. Then you blamed it on somebody else loading your thumb drive, and then you blamed it on technical difficulties, and then you screamed a bunch of times awkwardly and looked like a fucking fool. But I bet she still got paid. Guaranteed, if it was a DJ at a local club, they would have got escorted off stage and not paid. But Coachella's about the music, right? Have a nice night, everybody. Anyways, bye.